This is how our storage area looks. Why does it look this bad? Got storage bins. They're too heavy for my wife to lift up, and they're not on shelves. So because of that, this is how it looks most of the time.
Hey, it's Sarah with the Happy Hootie. I'm here today doing some organization in our storage room. Last year, my husband got these giant 40-gallon totes, and we put all of our Halloween stuff and Christmas stuff and fall, everything in there. Well, we got them so heavy that I couldn't actually lift them anymore. So anytime we needed anything, I had to get him to help me. I'm very self-sufficient. I don't like having to get somebody else's help. So we've went out to Sam's and we've bought these storage shelves, and we've got 27-gallon totes now. So I can actually lift it and do this all myself. So we are working on building this and putting all those in today. And we're going to show you how. All right, the first thing you got to do is they've got these straps on here. You just get a pair of scissors and we're going to cut all those off, and we're going to take the paper off the bottom. All right, now that we got all that off, we're just going to take off this top one. And here they've got all your parts in here, just laying in here. And these you just pull apart so we can have all the different pieces to hook these shelves together. It's the real easy plastic, so you just twist it and it comes off for all of them. You don't need any special tools just besides your hands.
Inside this kit with the pieces parts that you just popped out, you're going to have 4 of these that are the feet. They're the ones that have the little ridges on them. And you're going to have 4 of these pieces that are the base piece. And these are actually going to go inside of the feet. And you're going to twist them down like this before you install the feet. And that gives you some ways to adjust the leveling on the feet. You got 4 top caps that are going to go in the top of the shelf. These pieces here will actually, you can use it if you've bought multiple shelves, that you can slide them in the gaps. We'll show you how to do that so you can attach multiple shelves together. And they do give you 2 support brackets to mount it to the wall.
Okay, now that we got the feet and the other parts, we need to get the poles to separate out the shelves. So they keep that on the other end. So we just got to move those. And here they are. We're going to take all those out and set them off to the side so we're ready for them when we need them. All right, now that we've got all the poles out, we're going to take this and put it upside down so we can put our feet on next. So we've got all these different feet. They did come with the 2 little parts, so that way it's adjustable. This is the part that actually sits on the ground. And then you've got this part, you stick in there. So that way you can move it in case your surface is not even. You can adjust your shelf length just by moving your feet around. So we're going to take those and we are just going to shove them in here, just like so. Go to the next one and push them all down in there. And once you have them all in, we're going to flip it over. And we're going to take the smaller part with the ridge, and we're going to shove that down in there and make sure that it's in there secured. All right, then we're going on to the next level. Make sure you grab the next one, just get it on the bottom. And here is a little bit more tricky because you have to make sure that this hole lines up with this one. So you kind of got to go over the top of it, and then you just push it down over it. All right, and then we just rinse and repeat till it's over. Make sure to wash your fingers when you're doing this so you don't smash your fingers in between the holes. All right, now we've got the shelf. Okay, the last step is to put the caps in the top. So we're just going to line them up on there and push them in. So the last thing we're going to do is connect our shelves together. So I'm going to kind of pinch it together to make sure that we got it in there. We just slide that in between the 2 holes. And I'm just going to kind of put them on different areas within each row here.
Now each shelf comes with 4 of these connection pieces. So if you end up buying 2 shelves, you'll end up with 8 of these connector pieces. So you could actually go ahead and do all. If you do them back to back instead of side to side, these other pieces here would connect in to hold them that direction too.
All right, so now I've got my shelf assembled, and we went and bought a bunch of these 27-gallon totes. This is what they're made to hold on to.
Yeah, they're about $11 from Sam's. They're not expensive. You can also order some of those online.
So then they'll just fit right in here. And what I do is just a cheap way to mark everything is I just cut out paper and just write with it what's going to be on there, and then I just put the packing tape over it, and I'll just stick it on here. So I know whenever my 8-year-old gets up to the age of these clothes, this is my tote.
One thing to be aware of is whenever you're getting these put together is they do not fit flush against the wall. If you are going to put them flush against the wall, then it is a little deceiving because these totes have to have room to stick out the back to evenly distribute, and if you had it shoved up all against the wall, your totes will hang out the front, which maybe is okay for some because they do provide these little clips to then screw it into the wall to stabilize it, to allow the weight to cantilever over the front like this. I didn't want to worry about trying to attach it to the brick, so we're just going to space this out from the wall, you know, about 4 inches, and that allows this piece to then slide back there and be evenly distributed with the weight on each shelf. We have not put the last shelf together. It's going to go on this back wall, but let me tell you, organization has never been easier, and these things are super easy to pull out and find. So if you're looking to get organized, these racks are a fantastic way to go. I can't say enough about how much better this looks and how much easier these are to get to.
Hope you guys learned a little something and enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.